Your shoulder feels fragile right now, and it's easy to think the safest thing to do is almost nothing. But that's where a lot of people start to feel stuck before surgery. I'm a shoulder specialist, and I help people make sense of recovery and decision making around shoulder problems. Not sure if your recovery is on track or if you might be setting yourself back? Download the free shoulder recovery guide linked below in the description. There's a common pattern I see in this phase. You start protecting the shoulder more and more, you move less, you avoid anything that might trigger pain. And at first, that feels like the right move because you're trying to keep things from getting worse before surgery. But here's the part that often gets missed. Protection can quietly turn into restriction. And restriction can start to create new problems. Your shoulder isn't just an injured structure, it's also a joint that depends on movement to stay coordinated. When movement drops too much, a few things can happen. The shoulder can feel stiffer, the surrounding muscles can become less responsive, and everyday movements can start to feel more uncertain or uncomfortable, not because the damage is worse, but because the system around the shoulder is becoming less prepared to handle normal use. This is where confusion starts to build. You feel more discomfort, more hesitation, sometimes even more pain. And it's easy to interpret that as, I must be making this worse. But often, it's the opposite pattern. Too much protection is what's narrowing your comfort zone. That doesn't mean you should ignore your shoulder or push through everything. This isn't about doing more. It's about understanding the balance. There's a difference between protecting healing tissue and avoiding all meaningful movement. And when that line gets crossed, your confidence usually drops with it. You start second guessing simple things, reaching, lifting something light, even just using the arm naturally. That uncertainty can feel like a warning sign. But most of the time, it's just a signal that your shoulder hasn't had enough safe exposure to normal movement. So instead of asking, how do I protect this as much as possible? Ask a better question. Am I still letting my shoulder stay familiar with movement? Because going into surgery completely guarded and disconnected from normal use can actually make the early recovery phase feel harder and more uncertain. Not because anything went wrong, but because the starting point is more limited than it needs to be. The goal here isn't to fix everything before surgery, it's simply to avoid shrinking your movement world more than necessary. That way, you're not walking into surgery feeling like your shoulder has become something you can't trust at all. The free guide will help you understand your recovery a little better. It's linked in the description below. And if you're looking for a more structured way to actually navigate it step by step, that's what the shoulder recovery method is there for. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.